राम राम जय राजा राम,
I wonder where Rama is.
सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा।
Oh, there you are, Rama. Why are you looking so sad? Sita, I must tell you something. I must go to the exile for 14 years. But why, Rama? I must keep the promise of my father to Mother Kaikeyi. Oh, Rama, please take me with you. I can't. You are far too delicate to live in the forest for that long. Please stay in the comfort of the castle. Oh, Rama, don't you remember the promise you made to never leave me alone? Oh, Sita, what could I ever do without you?